How to create a wavy op art design such as you would see in the 60s or 70s in Affinity Photo, PC or Mac. Go to the Tools panel and select the Rectangle tool. Just creates a rectangle. Vector rectangle can be any size. I'm going to change the colour. I'm not going to go with blue there. I am going to go with a light pink. So light pink, something like that. Now I can create another rectangle using the rectangle tool, or I can simply go to the move tool and hold down the Alt Option key and drag to duplicate this. And then I'm just going to resize it. I can make it thinner. I'm going to go with a slightly darker pink, more purple. Hold down the Alt Option key and drag again and resize. I'm going to go slightly bigger and this time dark blue. So I've got my design there. I want them all as a pixel layer, a single pixel layer. Currently they're all vectors. So I can just go over here to layer and merge visible. They're all merged into a single visible layer. Now I can move them along. Now I've got still these original vectors. You can deselect them, so you just remove them. The reason I want them as a pixel layer, filters and distort and shear. With this panel, what you can do, you can shear it horizontally and vertically. I'm just going to go for this one and I'm just going to click and add a point. And you can see you can add a point and then you can shear it. Now I don't want to push it too far, just going to push it slightly to that way. Then I'm going to go the other way. And you can move it, you can always go down. But if you push it too far, it distorts very badly, I think. I'm just going to do that. Just make it nice and wavy. Something like that. Reasonably all the same widths, etc. as I want. Click apply. Layers panel, it's a pixel layer. I can apply effects to it. So go down here to effects. Now I can add lots of effects, but I'm just going to go for one. Outer shadow. That's highlighted there. And click to make it, put it on. Go to radius. Also opacity. I like to have it slightly better than that, 70%, so I can see it. Also offset. Push that out fairly high. And intensity. Now I've gone in this direction, so keep it there, 315. And close. Let's start over here, so I'm just going to move it over here and go all the way. Hold down the Alt Option key and drag. And you can repeat that all the way across the image. Now, you don't have to keep it all equal distance. Just vary it. Maybe create it slightly like that. Try and avoid getting any transparency. You can put it like that. And you can go there. Now, of course, you can see the alignment's slightly wrong, but I can fix that in a sec. And I'm just going to do that now. So move that out of the way, colours, move that out of the way. And now select all of those and go here to alignment. And I'm just going to use this one, align middle. All nicely aligned. Now I can resize this. I can drag that in just so you can see there. Just want about there. And then just do that. Yes, just that point. I'm quite happy with that design. What I'm now going to do is I'm going to merge them. I'm just going to go to layer and merge selected. So merge selected, they've all become one single pixel layer. See there, pixel layer. What you can also do is you can duplicate this. Hold down the Alt Option key again. And you actually see a nice warped wavy design here. Actually really makes the screen sort of really wavy. I'm just going to add additional layer. Now, of course, the layer, if I shift it slightly, you're going to have to resize it a bit. Otherwise, you're going to get this straight line, which is not good. But you can also go here and layers. With that layer selected, go down here and you can change. Now, obviously, some of these ones are not so good, unless you want that. Darken, colour. But you can go for, say, colour dodge, soft light. Just try it like that one. That looks great. And again, you've got that lovely wavy design. And you notice you've got this edge. Well, simply resize it. Now drag it all the way along. And you can create all kinds of weird and wonderful designs just by doing that, and resize it there as well. And of course, you don't have to keep it that one. Maybe not difference, maybe go for exclusion, subtract, divide, hue. I think hue looks great. So you've got this design now, got a lovely wavy design, and you can flatten it. Just go to layer and down to merge visible. So it's all merged into a single layer. You've still got the other ones, so you can always go back to them and think, you know what, I like change. And you can tweak it, maybe go with that one instead. And again, do exactly the same. Merge them into one single layer. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. Thank you much.